The jungle is full of killers. Jaguars, anacondas, caimans. Every day is a fight to survive. But there is one animal that walks through this danger without fear: the capybara. It doesn't have claws, it doesn't have sharp teeth, it doesn't run fast, and yet nothing wants to fight it. Capybaras live in the wild wetlands of South America, a place where predators hide in water, in grass, in shadows, watching, waiting. But when predators see a capybara, something strange happens. They hesitate, because the capybara isn't acting like prey. It stays calm, still, unafraid. The capybara is the largest rodent on Earth. It can weigh over 60 kilograms. Its body is built for survival. Its eyes, ears, and nose sit high on its head, allowing it to see and breathe while almost completely underwater. If danger appears, it simply disappears beneath the surface, silent, untouchable, gone. But its greatest strength isn't size, it's something else: peace. Capybaras are known as the most relaxed animals on Earth. They don't panic, they don't overreact, they stay calm in situations where other animals would run. And this calmness changes everything. Because predators look for fear, they look for weakness. The capybara shows neither. Even more strangely, other animals trust them. Birds sit on their backs. Monkeys rest beside them. Even predators sometimes ignore them. Capybaras exist in a state of balance. They do not threaten. They do not provoke. They simply exist. And somehow, that keeps them safe. Capybaras are also excellent swimmers. They can stay underwater for up to 5 minutes. Their bodies move effortlessly through water. Water becomes their shield, their escape, their advantage. In the jungle, water is survival, and the capybara owns it. They live in groups, always watching, always alert. If one senses danger, the group reacts instantly, not with panic, but with precision. They move together. They disappear together. They survive together. But perhaps the most powerful thing about the capybara is its mindset. It wastes no energy on fear, no energy on panic. Only survival. Only awareness, only calm. And in the most dangerous environments on Earth, calm is power. Right now, somewhere in the jungle, a capybara is sitting in silence, watching, listening, surviving. Not because it is the strongest, but because it understands something deeper. In a world full of chaos, the calmest animal survives the longest.